In this video, we will learn bubble sort algorithm. Bubble sort algorithm is a simple comparison-based sorting algorithm that repeatedly steps through the list or array, compares adjacent elements and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. This process continues until the entire array or list is sorted. Now we will understand how bubble sort algorithm works. For this, we need array of n elements and output should be sorted array in non-decreasing order. Now we will understand bubble sort algorithm with example. Let's consider an array A with elements 5, 3, 8, 4 and 2. Here total number of elements are 5, that is n equal to 5, and loop iterates n minus 1 times, that is 5 minus 1 equal to 4 times. And we will start at the beginning of the array. So we will start from element 5, that is first element of the array. And this loop controls the overall sorting process and number of passes needed to sort the entire array. Here pass refers to a single iteration through the entire array where adjacent elements are compared and swapped if they are in the wrong order. As we know that total number of iterations are 4. In pass 1 or iteration 1, the largest element should move to the end through a series of swaps. In iteration 2, the second largest element should move before the largest element. In iteration 3, remaining sorting is done. Loop iterates through the remaining unsorted elements. In iteration 4, no sorting is done. In bubble sort algorithm, the loop confirms that no further swaps are needed as array should be already sorted after iteration 3. In all 4 iterations, we start at the beginning of the list or array. Then we compare the first 2 elements. If they are in the wrong order, then we will swap them. Next, we will move to the next pair of elements and we will compare and swap if necessary. And we will repeat this process until the desired result is obtained. Let's implement first iteration in bubble sort algorithm for array A equal to 5, 3, 8, 4, 2. Here 8 is the largest element. So we will move element 8 to the end of the array through a series of swaps. Swap number 1. In first swap, we will compare first 2 elements 5 and 3 and they are not in the right order. That is, they are not in non-decreasing order. So we will swap 5 and 3 and after swapping, array A will become A equal to 3, 5, 8, 4 and 2. Swap number 2. In second swap, now we will compare next pair of elements 8 and 4 and we will swap 8 and 4. After swapping 8 and 4, array A will become A equal to 3, 5, 4, 8 and 2. Swap number 3. Similarly, we will swap next 2 pair of elements 8 and 2. After swapping 8 and 2, array A will become A equal to 3, 5, 4, 2 and 8. After swap 3, our largest element 8 is moved to the end. So pass 1 or iteration 1 is completed here. In iteration 2, loop continues to iterate through the unsorted element, moving the second largest element to its correct position before the largest element. So after iteration 1, our array is A equal to 3, 5, 4, 2, 8. So again, we will start swapping at the beginning of the list. And in the swap number 1, no need to swap elements 3 and 5 as they are in non-decreasing order. Then we will compare next pair of elements 5 and 4 and will swap them. After swapping 5 and 4, array A will become A equal to 3, 4, 5, 2 and 8. Swap number 2. We will swap 5 and 2. After swapping 5 and 2, array A will become 3, 4, 2, 5 and 8. So, we got our second largest element 5 before the largest element 8. So, iteration 2 is also completed here. Now, iteration number 3. In iteration number 3, remaining sorting is done. So, in first swap number 1, we will swap 4 and 2. And after swapping elements 4 and 2, our array will become equal to 3, 2, 4, 5 and 8. Swap number 2. In swap number 2, we will swap elements 3 and 2. After swapping elements 3 and 2, our array A will become 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. Now iteration number 4. In bubble sort algorithm, the loop confirms that no further swaps are needed, as array should be already sorted. So our array is already sorted. That is, our array is in non-decreasing order. All the elements in the array are non-decreasing order. That is A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So our final array is sorted.